No. No. What was one? Record it. Record it already.
Which way do you want it? You want me to record it? This way, like this?
Yeah.
He was like, oh shit. He must have found him like that. You lost weight then, right? Yeah. And then that time was...
I know you work at UPS because the screen is cracked.
Alright, I was sitting in my car.
Oh, that's why. Let's go. Kick. Ah.
He was like, I know. What the fuck are you doing? Go get the disinfectant.
Ah. Good. Lift your leg. Yeah. Time it. Lift your leg. Work on that. Let him kick you. Lift your leg. Lift your leg. Let's go on, Josh. Lift your leg. Good. Good. Ah, good. Ah. Come on, Josh, get back in there. Throw your straight. Throw your straight. Come on, throw your straight, Josh. Ah. Ah, good. Ah, there you go.
That's pretty good.
Straight. Straight. Josh, straight. Straight to the hook. Oh, where's your kick? You had the kick right there. Lift up your leg, Josh. Lift up your leg. Lift up your leg. He's tagging it. Check that kick. Come on, guys. Check that kick. Come on, check it. Ah, good. Come on, get off your flat feet, guys. Time. Good.
Reflection button.